Hey there, Teacher Diane here. I wanted to take a few minutes and tell you guys a few things about some concerns some of my viewers have talked to me about through social media. And thanks everybody. It's been great to talk to some of you and keep those questions coming. I'll be happy to answer any questions that I can help with. And I recently reached my 1 year work anniversary with 5-1 Talk. And it's been a great year. Um, I'm almost at 4,000 lessons taught and have taught some great students and some challenging students. I want to share with you in this video one of the things that makes my students keep coming back and keep favoriting me. I'm almost at 1,000 favorites on my teacher page, and that's what keeps things very successful for me and keeps my bookings at a very high and steady rate, even through holiday periods and through periods of where other teachers are finding it difficult to get bookings. So in the next segment of the video, you'll see part of one of my classes where I engage with a student and make the lesson a personal experience. So what you will see is after the lesson is completed, I usually finish 2 or 3 minutes early, and I will talk to the student about something they enjoy. This particular student loves dumplings because it's getting close at this time of year to Chinese New Year, and that's one of the traditional foods that they have. So she is telling me how to make dumplings because I like them too. So I asked her. She's a little bit more advanced in her speaking skills. So she very excitedly explains to me how to make Chinese dumplings. So you'll see she's very engaged. We're having a conversation back and forth, and she enjoys telling me this. And you'll notice that I do take a minute to go over the time, and you'll also see that I am multitasking, going ahead, starting the memo as I am speaking with her, and you'll also see that she's very excited about having another class with me. So that's what you need to see in your classes, of students saying, see you next time, I want another class with you. And this is how you'll get repeat bookings. And guess what they do? They go back to school, they talk about you with their friends. Their parents see how excited and happy they are with your class and book it again and again. So when they see and notice they have favorited you, they see and notice that you have open classes, they will book your class. So this is how I have been successful, and how I have kept my bookings steady and filled. I hope this helps, and enjoy my class. Bye.
Put the vegetable in it, and then this,
Okay.
and this.
Okay.
Wait a second. Here, I'm going to tell you it's like this. But it's not a poo-poo.
Okay.
Like this. It's actually like dumplings, but it's not.
Okay, so is it kind of like a little pouch of vegetables and rice? Oh,
No.
yummy. And how do you cook it? Do you cook it in water or some oil?
No.
Or well, how do you cook it?
Okay, you need a thing like this. Like a ball, but this is not. Oh.
Okay, okay. That is so cool. Thank you for my lesson, Dora. I gave you a lesson and you gave me a lesson. Wonderful. You are
See my
awesome.
ear? Or your
I see
earbuds?
them. And congratulations on PET. Yay, Dora. Okay.
My thing is broken.
Uh-oh. Well, I will
Boss
see.
is okay.
Dora, I hope that I have another lesson with you, but it's time for me to
Yeah.
go, okay? Oh, you need another
Uh-oh.
star. Uh-oh, be careful. Don't hurt your ear. I'll see you
Whoa.
another time. Bye-bye.
Yeah. I want to see you again.
Okay, great. Bye-bye.